Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about an essential thing each fisherman should have on each fishing trip he takes. But before I begin, you can like the video if you find the content useful, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. Well, what I'm talking about a fishing towel which keeps your hands dry while you are fishing. I don't know whether it has actually happened to you, but well, it happened to me on a lot of occasions when I have actually forgotten to take something with me that will keep my hands dry. And what happens when the fish, well, especially when the fish bites us mad and you are pulling one after another, your fingers and your hands, they are actually wet all the time, and the skin, well, I don't know about yours, but my skin, it actually absorbs a lot of water, and when it dries out, what I've noticed that I do have like cracks on the skin, and the fingers, these are in pain for a couple of days if I'm not keeping the hands dry while I'm fishing. So that is why I've actually decided to make a video about a towel which I use, just to show it to you. And well, I'm not telling you that you need the same one, because there are like a lot of variations out there for the fishing towels. But well, you can actually use, for example, like a kitchen towel or the one which is meant for the bathroom. But well, in my opinion, a kitchen towel is made for kitchen. The ones which are meant for the bathroom should stay there. And well, if you're fishing, you should have a separate one for yourself. So if you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description, and let us talk a little bit about this one. So basically it comes with a carabiner, and well, it's pretty soft and absorbs water pretty good, dries out quite fast, and well, with the help of the carabiner you can just attach it to your clothes and you won't actually lose it on any of the trips that you take. And one other thing, it's nice to have your own towel, which is like quite soft, and well, in my case, I've actually taken like the one with blue color and with a gray one from the other side, because well, I love actually this type of color. So depends on you if you'll decide to buy one for yourself. There are different color variations, there are different types of the fishing towels, but just make sure that you'll pick the one that you like. That's basically all that I wanted to talk about today. It's not a gadget, but it is a thing that actually keeps your hands dry and well, helps you to prevent any, well, skin injuries or something similar to that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.